Hi students, today in our class we are going to study about causes for farmer suicide, one of the important topic for exam. And the question come for 10 mark or 5 mark answer. Let's start our class. R.S. Deshpande and Saroj Arora have analyzed the causes of farmer suicide. So which are those means? The first is events. The first cause is events. In events, what we find means the crop loss, failure of borewell, price crash, daughter's marriage, family problems and property disputes are included. Means crop loss because of so many reasons, heavy rains or floods, or any forest any wild animal attack also become the reason for crop loss, or lack of knowledge or lack of technological the farmer can't understand. These are become crop loss reason, and failure of borewell. And some of the family problems, health problems are and property disputes. These points comes in events. The next is stressors. The next problem is stressors. These events become stress. It creates a stress creator to the farmer, which are means just I said the crop loss, failure of borewell, and property disputes. So it creates a stress to the farmer, like the illness of individual of or any family member, and it become a cause for heavy borrowings. And continued disputes in the family for land or any other reason, it create a stress for the person. These become a sufficient cause. One cause is not for it not cause for stress. Like sometimes it become a combination, like two or more problems. Combination it create a it create a kind of the farmer can't help himself. The last stage he suggests that suicide. The next is actors. Actors create a sense of insecurity or insult to the potential victim, from whom means it include money lenders, bankers, and relatives or a close friend. These what we say events cause one event or not, a mixture of some event become create a stress for the farmer. Due to stress or the insult from the insecurity, kind of insecurity or insult, it become one of the cause for think about suicide. The next cause is triggers. In addition to what we study in triggers means, among the reasons in various studies associated with suicide, is one indebtedness become one of the reason. But it is not the only risk factor. Multiple risk factors feed each other. As I told you, one reason, one problem, it easy to solve, or we can it not become such a stress. If the multiple problems are arise in a person, they can't help themselves. The last stage, they think about suicide. In addition to the weather related uncertainties, means just I told you, the floods, the heavy rains, these also become one of the stress cause for the farmer. The farmer is also feed with market, means increasing cost, the new technologies the farmer can't understand, the inputs or credit related problems, the loans, the new schemes the farmer can't understand sometime. Just he become helpless. In the absence of risk of migration strategies, the farmer is receiving and that create stress for some farmers, end up committing suicide. So at the end, suffering a lot from these problems. The farmers end up committing suicide. They choose they choose the path of suicide. Very sadly, we can say these causes for farmer suicide. This is the end of the class. Hope you understand. Hope this class help you to write down in exam. If the question comes, hope you understand. Thanks for listening.